Welcome back to my channel. I have just come back from Phuket and my trip had failed. I forgot everything and I was ready to chill on the beach, swimming in the sea. I booked a very good hotel for 9,000 Thai baht per night with good breakfast. Planned the whole trip but I made a mistake. So if you are going to spend a lot of money for a trip to a wonderful and sunny Phuket, check the weather. Subscribe to my channel and let's go to see what is waiting for you in Thailand. You're right in the rainy studio.
Today, I'll be sharing my experience at the wonderful Anantara Vacation Club Hotel in Phuket. It's located in a high-end area, surrounded by luxury 5-star hotels like Marriott, Avani, Renaissance and Melia. This hotel has a lot to offer: a kids' playground, tennis courts, bicycle rentals, a huge swimming pool with an inflatable zone, a poolside bar, 2 restaurants, 7-Eleven, cafes, and even a shopping mall just 5 minutes away. I woke up excited to head to the beach, imagining the calm, stunning scenery. The property itself is spacious and lush with greenery. Just 5 minutes away by buggy, you'll find the beautiful and quiet Mai Beach, untouched, serene and uncrowded. The hotel's buggy service is always ready to take you anywhere within the resort. We hopped onto the buggy and we're ready to go to the beach. Once we arrived, I realized I had a mistake. It was pouring rain, not just a drizzle, but a full-on storm. The waves were massive and the wind was howling. So back to the hotel we went soaking wet. But the hotel's quick service saved the day. They picked us up in no time. And honestly, it was kind of fun. On the second day, the rain had stopped, but the sea was still rough. At least we could take a peaceful walk along the clean, empty beach. Since the area is quite expensive, you won't find many tourists, which makes it a perfect getaway if you are looking for peace and relaxation. It was stunning and incredibly relaxing. Compared to the crowded beaches like Caron and Kata, this one felt close to nature, the perfect spot for solitude, yoga and unwinding. The beach even had a quirky coconut weather station. If the coconut moves, It's windy. If it's gone, it's stormy. Luckily, the coconut was still there, so the weather wasn't too bad. Unfortunately, it was time to head back to Bangkok. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. Thank you for watching. Kapun ka, sawadee ka, and goodbye.